I guess I got a question the other day is how do I snap to the intersection of the two lines in CAD functionality on SurveyMaster? So I wanted to record a quick video to show you. So I have a building here and I just basically draw two kind of like grid lines so I can demonstrate this really quick. So first of all, you want to hit the three dots down here at the and you want to hit capture mode. This will give you similar stuff as is the snaps in Business Center or any CAD software, right? Like AutoCAD, Civil 3D or whatever. So one of them, as you can see, is the intersection one. So I'm just going to turn it on for the demo purpose. Then I'll go back. And if I want to snap to the center of these two independent grid lines, I'm going to hit the snap. And basically, I'm going to go and get close to the center, right? Intersection points. As you can see, I can pick any intersection point and just hit. It will automatically bring out the coordinates of that point, and I can go and stake that point directly from the CAD function in the SurveyMaster. So hope you found this informative. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.